I'm leaving my house for the first time since we came from the airport. We're going to drop off my little brother at school and then go to my aunt and then go to my godfather's place. And basically we're just gonna run some errands. See you guys when we get to my aunt's place. Knock, knock, knock. 여보세요? Big bag. What? Big bag!
But the bookshop, yeah. We're gonna do the best part. Come, Chase, I forgot Nard Street.
Oh, I'm doing a shot.
Come.
Let's exit. Hey Dayz, so I just parked at church and I'm going to go in and tell everybody that I parked and came to church all by myself. No daddy in the car, no chaser on the back, and then I'm probably going to take my aunt home because I'm the one driving today. So I'm gonna go inside because I see my reverend car parked over there. So church is over and my dad said he wants a car back by 4 o'clock and it's approximately 1:54. So I need to drop my auntie off and then go and give back my dad a car. I didn't show you guys my outfit today. I think I posted this on Instagram, but like the white version, like with the white blazer. So yeah, I'm gonna go start the car now and get ready to leave. And so look what I'm wearing. And the first time I ever wear flat shoes.